Hey everybody, your pal Donnie Dow here with Gammon Realty. I'm at my listing at 4121 Spring Valley Road here in Evansville on the east side in the Valley Down subdivision. So this is just west of the Timbers Apartments off Green River Road. There is a large neighborhood nestled away from Green River and from Morgan Avenue. At any rate, this home here is a bi-level. It's just over 2,000 square feet, and it is in need of your personal touches. This neighborhood has many homes that are in the upper 120s, 130s, 150s, etc. In fact, there's a home around the corner right now that's a little bit smaller. That's $151,000 is the asking price on that. So this home comes in at $115,000. It needs roughly about $20,000 worth of work. It needs some new flooring, it needs the kitchen updated, new appliances, etc. So there is some work to be done here, and there are loans that allow you to finance that $20,000 worth of renovations in. The nice thing is you get to pick it. You get to pick the contractors, you get to pick what you like. For example, carpet, linoleum, laminate, LVT, whatever you're interested in as far as flooring goes, that would be your choice, obviously. Now, the nice thing about this is at that price point, you're looking at less than $5,000 down. You're looking at roughly $1,000, $1,050 a month for payments. But it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, 2 living areas, a deck, pretty good sized deck too. So you're getting a lot for the money, and again, it could be all new. Paint it, etc. It could use some interior paint for sure, and there are some items that you would want to address if you own this home. But like I said, it's a quick way, relatively quick, to have about $17,000 to $18,000 worth of equity once the improvements are made. So if you're ready for a little bit of a challenge and you want something uniquely your own, talk to me, Donnie Dow. You can reach me at 812-449-8026. Call, text, anytime. But make sure that you deal with Donnie. Thanks. We'll see you.